In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent with Microsoft Copilot Studio, transforming it into your very own HR assistant. By the end of this guide, you'll have a helpful virtual assistant capable of clarifying company policies, answering employee questions, and streamlining your HR processes with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Copilot Studio and hit Enter. This search will return several links, but you'll want to click on the Microsoft Copilot Studio website. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner for the Sign In button. Click it and log into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one with just a few clicks. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Copilot Studio dashboard. In the Copilot Studio interface, find the Agents section and click on it. You'll see a variety of options, but your focus here is on creating a new entity. Go ahead and click on New Agent. This will prompt the start of building your own assistant. The next step is all about configuration. Click on Configure, and you'll be able to start customizing your new virtual agent. Firstly, give your agent a fitting name. Since we're building an HR assistant, let's call it HR Buddy. Moving on to the description, you want to succinctly define what this agent will do. For instance, enter something like an HR assistant that explains company policies, leave procedures, onboarding steps, and answers common employee questions in a clear, professional, and friendly manner. Now, you'll instruct the system on how the agent should operate. Enter instructions that emphasize providing simple, employee-friendly assistance. Ensure it avoids giving legal or medical advice, asks follow-up questions for clarity, and uses examples when necessary. Once this is done, click on Create to bring your agent to life. Now, let's test out HR Buddy. Start by thinking of a common HR-related question, like, how many vacation leave days do employees get per year, and how do I apply for it? Enter this as a prompt in the test field and hit Submit. It might take a few moments for HR Buddy to process and respond, so be patient. Once your agent has successfully answered your question, try another prompt, perhaps as a new employee seeking onboarding steps. Enter something like, I am a new employee. What are the first steps I need to complete for onboarding? Again, click Submit and observe HR Buddy at work. Congratulations! You've successfully created your AI HR assistant with Microsoft Copilot Studio. With HR Buddy now a part of your team, handling HR queries has never been easier or more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up a productive AI agent for your needs.